Two analysts present to the same board meeting. One says revenue this quarter was 42 million. The other says 38 million. Both used the company's own data. Both are confident. The board doesn't know who to believe, and neither does anyone else. This is not a data problem. It is a trust problem. And today, in our series finale, you'll learn how to solve it: data governance, lineage, and catalogs. Welcome to Golden Concepts by Uplatz, where we teach you the few ideas that matter most in every technology. Let's start with why trust breaks down at scale. In a small company, one analyst knows every dataset, every quirk, every definition. Revenue means this specific table, calculated this specific way. That knowledge lives in one person's head. As companies grow, dozens of analysts touch hundreds of datasets built by different teams at different times. Nobody agrees on definitions. Nobody knows which table is the official one. Nobody knows what changed last Tuesday and why the numbers shifted. Data becomes abundant and untrustworthy at exactly the same moment. Governance is the framework that restores trust. It answers three questions that every data-driven company eventually must answer. Question 1. What does this data mean? This is the data catalog. A catalog is a searchable inventory of every dataset in the company. What each table is, what each column means, who owns it, when it was last updated, and whether it's safe to use. Think of it as the library index for your entire data estate. Tools like Atlan, Alation, and the open-source Apache Atlas build these catalogs, often enriched with AI that automatically suggests descriptions based on column names and values. Without a catalog, analysts spend 30% of their time just finding the right data. With one, that search takes minutes. Question 2. Where did this data come from? This is Lineage. Data lineage tracks the full journey of every number: which source system it came from, which pipelines transformed it, which tables it passed through, and which dashboards and reports it ultimately feeds. Draw it as a river. A fact in your executive dashboard flows back through a transformation, through a raw table, back to an API call, back to a source system. Every step recorded. Lineage is what lets you answer the question every engineer dreads: something changed, what broke? With Lineage, you trace forward from the change table and see every downstream dashboard and model affected. Without Lineage, you find out what broke when an executive calls. Lineage also answers the reverse question: this number looks wrong, where did it come from? Trace backward, find the corrupted source, fix it at the root. Question 3. Who is allowed to see this data? This is access governance, and it has never mattered more. GDPR in Europe, CCPA in California, HIPAA in healthcare. Every major regulation is fundamentally a data access question. Personal customer data, salary information, medical records, these cannot be visible to everyone with a SQL client. Governance defines roles and permissions. This analyst can see aggregated sales but not individual customer details. This data scientist can access raw logs in a sandbox but not export them. Automated policies enforce these rules at the platform level, not through trust. And AI has made governance urgent in a new way. Companies now feed internal data into AI models for training and fine-tuning. Without governance, sensitive personal data accidentally trains a model that then leaks it in responses. Lineage and access controls are the guardrails that keep AI training data clean, consented, and compliant. These three pillars connect. The catalog tells you what exists. Lineage tells you where it came from and where it goes. Access governance tells you who can use it. Together, they answer the board meeting question. Here is the official revenue number, here is exactly how it was calculated, here is every source it touched, and here is who approved the definition. Disagreement ends. Trust begins. Here is your golden tip. Don't wait until you have a compliance problem or a board disagreement to start governance. Start with ownership. Every table in your warehouse should have one named human responsible for it. Not a team, one person. That single change, a name next to every dataset, transforms a swamp of anonymous tables into an accountable system overnight. Everything else, catalogs, lineage, access policies, builds naturally from that foundation. Let's wrap up with the golden concept in one line. Governance answers what data means, where it came from, and who can see it, turning abundant data into trusted data that organizations actually make decisions on. And that completes Golden Concepts, Data Engineering. 10 ideas, from OLTP to governance, the foundation every data engineer builds on. Thank you for learning with Uplatz. Tell us which technology we should decode next, and as always, master the concepts that matter.